Also see John Delaney's Neptune Undersea.
I'm really interested in the reasons why these early 90s was making it on
Everything. My career.
This is in action. Of course,
This
which are unavailable for
at a million, that's a metric ton.
found.
So why doing this?
That's what made the
Is the EEPRO, one is the Python, so this one meter with a different drive, and be another robot who I am actually controlling. Talk a little bit about the history of this project, how we saw nothing or like this technology, we evaluated, analyzed the spectrum. You have to increase the setting by 5.
I can review tomorrow. See you soon.
Oh, is that?
propagation is that. So we talked about the Buddha at Berkeley.
so architecture. This guy.
But I just want to talk about my vision for these rockets. Put on the radar at the front. It will give you the corresponding point in the other group. You can see how these things.
They were not comfortable yet with the
Thank you. That's listening on a fixed check.
The good thing about this light was designed.
Having a teach network.
Yeah,
I think like that.